This is Mark Norris with PitButt.com. I'm going to walk you through a trade example using the 1 hour time frame, which is ideal for traders that like to get in and out of a few different trades each day. Now the first step with using Candles Pro is obviously you want to log in to PitButt.com. You can do that by selecting Login in the upper left, entering in your user credentials, and clicking Login. After that, you can get to Candles Pro by selecting Pro Dashboard underneath the Pro menu item here. Now we're going to select the 1 hour time frame. I know kind of what I'm looking for here. I'm looking for a British pound 3 inside down pattern, and I'm going to select New Only because I want to see valid candlesticks. And click Go. And this first one that pops up here, this 3 inside down pattern, it's got a medium forecast strength. The formation looks pretty good on the mini chart. I'm going to go ahead and click View Performance Report. And let's take a time out here for a second, because this is the real power of Candles Pro. There's plenty of indicators out there that'll give you candlestick alerts for, the particular time frame, particular pair that you're on, but it doesn't tell you any historical information, performance information, recommended take profit, stop loss levels. And as we know, details are what make or break a successful trade in the Forex market. Where you put your stop loss, where you put your take profit level, when you enter, when you say no to entering on a signal, those are the kind of details that separate the 5% of Forex traders who succeed from the 95% of Forex traders who fail within the first year. Alright, back to the performance report. And on the performance report, first thing I always look at is the reward risk ratio. This one is 2.6 to 1. That's good. We want it over 2 to 1. The maximum drawdown, I look at that, is 59 pips. So the most we would have lost on a past signal is 59 pips. So that's good. I want this reward risk median to be over 2 to 1. This is 2.2 to 1. That's good. And of course the max recommended take profit and minimum recommended stop loss are solid things to look at. But we'll be a little bit more intelligent about placing those when we look at the chart. Next we're going to look at the past signals, just to get, again, gathering more confidence about the possible success of this trade. You can see here 135 pips, 125 pips, 40 pips, 75 pips. So this is a great signal. Let's pop over to the chart to set our stop loss and take profit levels. We can see the 3 inside down pattern on the right. First thing I always do is set my stop loss level, and I'm going to set it above the top of these wicks here, which is a good resistance area. Next thing obviously is I'm going to set our take profit, and this cluster of wicks down here, the support level, should provide us a good target, and these are both in line with the recommended take profit and stop loss levels given to us by Candles Pro. And as we go ahead and step through this trade setup, we can see that the next candle is a strong bearish candle in our direction, and the candle after that actually hits our take profit level for just a shade under 60 pips profit. 60 pips profit is definitely not too bad for about 2 minutes of work on your part. And the great thing about Candles Pro is this is just one example. You're literally getting signals generated for multiple pairs, multiple time frames, every 15, 30, 60 minutes, every 4 hours, and every day. All of them, you're able to check the reliability, get recommended take profit, stop loss levels. And the beauty of Candle Pro for me is twofold. Number one, the quantity and quality of signals that it gives you for multiple time frames, multiple pairs. Even if you have an indicator that gives you some of these signals, you don't keep it open for all charts, and it's definitely not going to give you the wealth of information. And that wealth of information is really what sets Candle Pro apart, in that it gives you confidence in the trade, and it gives you a better idea of where to put take profit and stop loss levels, so you're not just taking a stab in the dark anymore.